you in my face if that's dead!
But we will find out in this video, we will find out how the oil in there looks like, how the carburetor looks like inside, and most important, how the piston and cylinder wall looks like after it's sitting for so long. I just want to show you how I put my camera up here. You know, I'm recording all this with an iPhone because the image quality is so good. It doesn't want to come out. It feels corroded when I pull on it. But let's see how this looks like. And we go in here in the hole, a little closer, and there we can see the cylinder. So those endoscopes have like a little monitor there. And the camera itself has lights on it. Can you see that? Alright, so let's look at the inside here. We go in here with the camera and then we see the bottom of the piston and the wall. A whole lot there. And we see the valves, right? Intake and outtake valve, that's good. But this is a case for seafoam. Okay. Push and hold to record. No? There we are, recording video. Go in there. Now we see already that for my first spraying there's stuff in there. Okay. Let's put the nozzle close. I don't know where my nozzle is. I want to put it in here. Can we see? Oh, we see the nozzle. Look. The only problem, it came out of the thing. We take our camera again. There. I wish I could blow this around the corner. Just put the whole thing in there. We also can try to move the whole thing here. Oh my god. I have to pull this over here. Now, you see my camera comes out again. I wanted to flip this thing over. Look at this. So the whole thing is now under seafoam. And you can't even see here, maybe on this camera, that my whole generator is at a 45-degree angle. I wonder what happens if I pull on the thing here and if I move the piston up and down. All in my face. Oh my god. Oh man. It came flying all in my face. Sprayed around on the phone, everything. Holy shit, that's why you wear safety glasses. So now we know why we wear safety glasses, right? Oh, because the cylinder is all the way up. We want to go all the way down so that we can see better. Yeah, and we see still there's a lot of fluid in there. Okay. So we can even level it up even more. It's extremely flammable. Oh.